Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you guys this gorgeous, sophisticated, easy cut crease makeup look that I know you're going to love. So let's jump right into this look. Starting off with my Regelica skincare, which is a moisturizer and a serum that I apply. Then for this Maybelline 4-in-1 Glow Makeup, girl, no, this was not for me. My skin was burning so bad, so I'm definitely not going to use this. Let me know if it worked out for you. And right here, I'm just using the concealer by Too Faced, which is amazing. And I'm just going to color correct and bring brightness to my face. For this messed up blush is by Newsticks, but it's amazing. It's pigmented. I went kind of hard on this, but I made it work out. Now I'm going to set with my Sigma loose powder on my T-zone and also on my lids. I'm going to bring back color to my face using my Hoola Benefit bronzer with a little powder puff. I think this is what you call them. I'm going to bake a little bit under my eyes. I know the blush looked really pigmented, but girl, I had to apply more blush, and this one is by Sigma and Mary Love. For my eyeshadow palette, I am using the Buxom Forever Babe, and I'm grabbing the big Own It side, which is like a more smoky eye. So I'm grabbing that brown shadow. I'm using it in a light hand motion. I am bringing it inwards and then outwards, creating a cut crease just in a really light hand. And then I'm going to apply concealer, cutting the crease with a pencil brush. I'm just bringing that color back to the inner corners. Then I'm grabbing the Too Faced liquid liner to create that gorgeous cat eye fierce line. Lashes that I'm using are the Wispy Lashes by Ardell. For my inner tear dot, just to bring some light to my eyes, I am dipping my brush into the Bold Express Yourself lighter shade. And there you guys have the simple cut crease eye makeup look. It is really sexy and gorgeous, and your eyes are going to stand out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment for more videos like this.